Hi everybody, this is Santo with Quest Dehumidifiers here today. And in this video, we're going to go through changing out the control board on a 506 unit. If you're getting power on your low volt side to your transformer, but nothing is running, your unit is dead. Compressor doesn't kick on, fan doesn't kick on. This LED indicator, which usually when the unit's functioning, running, is usually green. If that's not on, when you've got power to it, and like I said, if you've got power to the low voltage side here on the transformer, then this is most likely to cause a failed control board. And what we'll need, what we have today, what we'll need to replace that board, we'll need a driver, and we'll also need a driver that has a 11/32 driver bit to it. Simply what we'll do here is we've got three nuts on here. We're going to back those out. Now this is fairly simple. Yeah, I've got a few connections here. Here we've got a new board, just to show you. And it's actually, this unit here has an old board on it. This is our updated board. And that's the basics of installing a new board. That's pretty much it. So hopefully this was informative. Catch you next time.